Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm very excited to introduce you to Unstract, a no-code platform that makes it super easy to extract structured data from unstructured documents using LLMs. So with Unstract, you can ingest massive amounts of documents, extract key fields like names or emails, and automate entire workflows without writing a single line of code. How cool is that, right? So one of the best features that I like from Unstract is their prompt studio. It lets you create and test your own prompts, define extraction schemas, and track token usage, all from an intuitive interface. So now we all know that LLMs can sometimes hallucinate. So Unstruct has a smart fix for that. So it uses something called LLM challenge, where a second model verifies the output. If they don't agree, the result is rejected. That's built in trust. So and for critical use cases, there's a human in the loop. Real people can review, edit, and approve extracted data. You even get source highlighting to see exactly where the AI pulled its data from, right? So, need speed and cost savings, use single pass extraction or deploy via API and ETL pipelines that you can do all from one single dashboard from Unstract. So, whether you are in finance, law, healthcare, or operations, if unstructured data is slowing you down, Unstract is worth exploring. So, I'm going to show you how exactly Unstract works in the next part of this video. So go to unstruct.com, sign up and sign in. So once you sign in, this is what the the dashboard that you will see, and it will take you through a step-by-step process of what all things included. You can just click next, and you can start with Unstruct Cloud, and everything will be configured for you, and you can just pour over the next steps to see the explore pricing, and you can get started with the prompt studio. So you can just read out what are the things included. There is a prompt studio, there are workflows, and there is a dashboard, API deployments, and there is ETL pipelines that you can create. There are task pipelines, right? So this is the prompt studio, and uh, where you can create your new project and explore a lot of things, extract different uh, data, right? So this is a demo example, and you can just hover over to see what all things you can do here. You can create a new project or just see the already existing project that they have, and this is their own sample project that they have created. And you can just first, if this is your first time, just go through this and see what all things are included. And you can basically run the first the sample that is already there. So uh, this is the document, that PDF file, that is unstructured document that's already present. And as you can see, the document parser will show you there's application applicant name, what's the name of the applicant, the citizenship, and the types of credit, the marital status, employment details, or current address. So you can create your own prompt, right? And you can ask all these things, and you can configure your own LLMs. And here it is GPT-4o that's already configured, which you will get like $10 credits for the first time when once you sign up to Unstract. So you can basically go run this, and to make sure everything, every step runs, every prompt runs, and you can basically see the combined output and analyze at the end, right? So let me run this, and it's already running. Let's see the output, right? So yeah, that is done. Slowly it is, step by step, it is getting all the details properly from the unstructured document that we have uploaded, the PDF file. And once every step is completed, we can actually see the proper output. Okay. Yeah, I think looks like everything is done, and now we can actually see the proper output. I'm just making sure everything is, um, every step is done. And yeah, let's go to Now, yeah, it's all enabled. Everything is done. Everything is all green success. So I'm just making sure that everything is green and everything is enabled. Yep. Yeah, so let's go to this is change the order of the prompts, and you can actually go here to see the output analyzer. It will exactly give you the structured output that you wanted. The default output, this is the default output, like the applicant name, the citizenship, the email address, all those. And if you go to GPT-4o, you can see the same thing, right? The different details, chunk size, vector storage, the profile name, the LLM used, and all those things. And yeah, you can go back and also see the output analyzer. There is output analyzer, and yeah, this is the raw view. And let's um, see a real example from our own PDF in the next part of this video. Hey guys, so as you can see, we are in the Unstract prompt studio, and let's create a new project. Give it a name like Pawan Test, and author name can be Ron Bell. The description is restaurant data, something like that. Then we can choose an icon, right? Food icon. And then let's save it. And now this is what we will see, right? Once we create the project. And now we need to upload the document that we have, right? How you can do that? Add document and drag and drop your document. I have this restaurant bill, some sample restaurant bill document. Confirm. That's been added successfully. And let's close this. Yeah, this is my document. Okay, PDF file. This is some random restaurant bill. Okay, so now what we need to do is create prompts. You can edit saying restaurant name. Can ask like what's the restaurant name, and GPT-4o is already enabled. And then you can add next prompt, right? Saying items ordered. So what are the items ordered? So that's one thing. Next prompt can be bill details, like what is the table number, what is the date, customer name, what is the cashier name, what is the invoice number, etc. And you can keep on adding the prompts. What is the restaurant address, right? And you can add some more, like if you want to get some uh, other details from the bill, from the unstructured data, right? So we added it. Everything is, even the LLM is configured. So what we need to do is now run this, right? Run all prompts for all LLMs and current document, right? So you can run it. So as you can see, it started running for all the steps, for all our prompts that we used. Yeah, we already got the output for all the steps, as you can see here, right? You can see the combined output. This is the combined output. Restaurant name, items ordered, bill details, address, right? Uh, you can also see this output analyzer, and yeah, you can also reorder the list of prompts. This is the raw view, summary view. Yep. So that's how you can actually, extract details from the unstructured documents. And these are some different features that we talked about, the Unstract. Uh, as you can see here, single pass extraction. If you hover over it, it will say like a cost saving toggle that automatically combines all your prompts into a single large prompt, right? You can also learn more. It will talk about this particular feature, but as you can see, the things change here. The cost is now for every prompt there is a cost involved, right? But if you use this, there'll be a lot of cost saving. So you can then basically run everything and single pass extraction. Let's see, right? So we just ran that, and as you can see the output here also, and you can also see the from the output analyzer what we received, right? And yeah, I mean, there is no LLM challenge that is involved, but we can also equip with that. Go to settings, and we can also say, right, there is a there is a LLM challenge thing. You can select the LLM that you want to use and enable LLM challenge and save it. And once you save that, you can just go back and basically, run it again, and you can actually see the output, right? So there is a LLM challenge log. You can just see that, right? So that's how you can basically uh, verify your own outputs, right? The LLM outputs, to make sure whatever the responses are for your prompts, all those are correct, right? So that's how you can basically verify result. Can hover over each tab and then see it, extraction run, challenge run, and the result. So that's how you can also see the input tokens, output tokens, and the total tokens use the total cost. Since we used this single pass extraction, the total cost is relatively less compared to if you use for each prompt, right? So that's how you can basically use different features of Unstract to make sure you're doing cost saving and for your project, and whatever the extraction you are doing from the unstructured data is perfect and contextually relevant. Thanks. So what I suggest you guys do is go to unstract.com and try to use their service, and build sophisticated agents to automate real world complex human dependent workflows, right? And you can start for free, and most of the companies are already using Unstract for their agentic workflows and to extract data from unstructured documents. So go give it a try and let me know what you guys actually think. Thanks.